Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! This is my interpretation of the 4th of July look with an American flag, with the African flag breaking through my chest. So we're just gonna get right into this tutorial. I'm not gonna talk too much because all the colors that we're using are basically for the ones we use on our eyes, from the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star, the jumbo pencil to outline the flag on my chest. So it's basically the same thing. And if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and click that link so you can watch the video on how I got the eyes done, and you'll know which colors that I'm using. But I am using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette to shade in, and we're going to use the Mayron Paradise paint, the one that has I think about 20-30 colors or something in it. I'm not sure what it's called, but I did get it off Amazon for like 99 bucks a couple years ago. So it has like a small palette of small tray of basically every color they have, which is amazing for people who just starting off. So that's why I got it, just in case. But now we're just going to start off with the stripes, and then we're going to go on with the red color, and then the blue, obviously, to do the flag first, and then we're going to do the African flag after that. But I don't want to talk too much because I want you to just see me create. So all right, let's get into it.
I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. I don't know why, but I can't seem to get you off my mind. And I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.